If you've ever bitten your lip, you know that blood has a distinct metallic taste. That taste is the literal signature of iron circulating through your veins. But because raw iron is highly reactive, biology never lets it float freely. Instead, it traps the metal inside a rigid molecular cage called a heme group. This diagram shows the architecture of that cage. A single iron atom, marked Fe, is locked into the center of a flat ring made of nitrogen and carbon. Your body uses this core structure like a molecular Swiss Army knife. By wrapping the iron cage in different protein chains, your cells can use the exact same metal atom for entirely different biological jobs. This protein wrapping defines the iron's purpose. To understand how these molecules work, we can look for clues to their specific jobs hidden directly within their names. We see this first in the oxygen handlers, specifically in myoglobin. Myoglobin is a specialist for the muscles. It acts as a private stockpile, my-oxygen, essentially, grabbing oxygen and refusing to let go until the muscle is under extreme stress. Hemoglobin, however, manages the transport highway. Its job is the handoff, picking up oxygen in the lungs and delivering it smoothly to the rest of the body. These behavioral differences are etched into their chemical data. This graph plots how saturated these proteins are at different oxygen pressures. Myoglobin follows this steep hyperbolic curve. It shoots upward almost immediately, showing how it hoards oxygen even when the surrounding pressure is very low. Hemoglobin follows this wider, sigmoidal S-shape. This flexibility allows it to load up on oxygen where it is abundant and release it where it is needed most. The physical graphs mirror their biological roles, a steep spike for local storage and a flexible curve for long-distance transport. Beyond oxygen transport, iron plays a different role in cellular energy production through the cytochrome family. Think of the C in cytochrome as a circuit. These proteins align to pass electrons down a line, functioning like biological wires. As the charge moves, the central iron atom cycles its oxidation state back and forth, shuffling energy along the chain. Let's test the association. Pause for a moment and identify the primary job for the proteins starting with M, H, and C. Myoglobin handles muscle storage. Hemoglobin manages the highway. Cytochromes run the circuit. Names can be deceptive, though. Cytochrome P450 sounds like a circuit protein, but it performs a much more aggressive role. The P in the name reminds us that it puts in an oxygen atom. It is an enzyme that directly inserts oxygen into another molecule to modify its structure. Catalase is similarly active, triggering a catastrophic breakdown of toxic hydrogen peroxide into safe water and oxygen. We can see these specific actions in Table 10.7. The row for cytochrome P450 lists the insertion of oxygen atom into substrate, while catalase is shown catalyzing the oxidation of substrates. In these modifiers, the iron is the active site for chemistry, breaking and forging the very bonds of the molecules it touches. By changing the architecture of the protein wrapping, your cells transform a simple iron cage into a specialized molecular surgeon. This logic lets you navigate complex chemistry questions without guessing. Which of these proteins inserts an oxygen atom into a substrate? We can skip myoglobin for storage, hemoglobin for transport, and cytochromes for energy transfer. That leaves cytochrome P450, the protein that puts in the oxygen. This chart maps the 5 proteins we've covered to their primary biological actions and the associations hidden in their names. Screenshot this matrix for your notes. While the iron cage is universal, the way your body wraps it and names it is the key to understanding how it powers life.